National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Moore County, Harnett County, Lee County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sanford to 9 miles east of Carthage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Lillington, Angier, Irwin, Whispering Pines, Coates, Broadway, Vass, Cameron, and Lemon Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Lee, and Moore.